Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my first hike for 2022. It's been pretty cold so far, a lot of raininess, but that, and I was also, hitting the gym pretty hard. So let's see if all that gym work actually ended up paying off. It's not going to be a super short hike, maybe 5-6 miles, give or take. Elevation change wise, I think probably around 2,000 feet, maybe. No, probably less than that. Probably like 1,500 feet, something like that. So we'll see how my body handles it. We'll see if all that gym work paid off in the end. Let's try this out. I'm super excited. First hike of the year. So, but first, warmer out than I thought, especially in the sun. I changed into jeans coming out here. Probably should have kept the shorts on. Oh well, not much I can do about it now. I think the hike today is gonna be like 5 miles, depending on if I get lost or not. We have a nice little spring here. It's a great day. This is like the perfect weather for something like this. Gotta say, I'm so happy to be out here right now. You have no idea. Ah, man. This is my second hike with the new backpacking shoes. These Oboes Sawtooth 2, I think. So far, they've been very comfortable. If you watched my video with the Pulpit Rock and the Pinnacle, I wore these for that hike. I liked them a lot. Super comfortable. So far on this one, same thing. Super comfortable. Across the bypass trail. So I'm going left here and I'm gonna loop back around. But so far it's been just over a mile. I guess I'm slow, but then again I'm also taking a lot of videos that I'm probably gonna edit out or not even use anyway. That's why this takes so much time. But hey, I would appreciate a sub if you guys are willing, and if you like these videos, feel free to sub, like, comment. What do you guys want to see? What do you want to see more of? What you like, what you don't? Because I'll take that feedback and I'll work with it at that point. Alrighty guys, let's get going. I think I should be getting some viewpoints pretty soon, hopefully. Right now I just had a couple little glimpses through the trees, but no wide open viewpoints yet. But you can see the biomes changing a little bit, more pine trees now, rather than kind of like the ferny type areas, whatever you want to call that, I'm not sure. And now I'm going to continue walking. Came across radio tower. Let's go check it out real quick. Don't know what that is. Electric tape on that. Tons of electric tape on that. Conduit of some sort, I guess. I wonder what radio tower it's for. Look at that. For lease. Anybody want to buy a radio tower? Alright. Well, enough of that. Let's keep going. So just got a little bit past the radio tower. Actually, you can kind of see it back there behind me. It's clearly not a Verizon cell phone carrier because my signal is still not the best. And if you're wondering why I have the hood up when I'm feeling kind of warm, it's because this is a sun hoodie. So it's UPF 50, sun rated. So therefore I don't have to put sunscreen on. But that's the main reason why I wear these. They're pretty thin. So if it's cold out, you'll probably have to wear something underneath. I especially like the ones that have the hood, because then I can protect the back of my neck since I don't have long hair. It also keeps the bugs out of your face relatively well, which is kind of nice. Of course, it's not July. All right, that's my tip for hiking today. All right, another tip of the day. When you're walking, when you're hiking, make sure you pay attention to the map a little bit more. I apparently missed my turn back there, so I gotta walk back a little bit. I think I was talking to the camera or filming too much. So I gotta walk back, and at least this part is flat. So yeah, pay attention to where you're going. All right, gonna find the trail again. Found out where I was going. I walked right by the sign. I was too busy looking at the tower. But you gotta come to the east side of the tower, and that's where the trail is. And that's where you pick that up. Now, let's keep going on the right trail this time. So I can get a peekaboo view down there of the river. Let's keep going, see if we can find a clear viewpoint. Settle down and grab a snack. So I came across this gentleman that said that this part of the trail actually used to be the Blue Trail or the Bypass Trail. And the other trail that I was on, which is the Blue Trail now, used to be the White Trail, which is the Appalachian Trail. And in the past couple years, they made a switch from the White Trail and the Blue Trail. They kind of switched them because everybody was taking the Blue Trail because of the views, which you just saw. Which makes sense. I would probably do the same thing. Well, the Appalachian Trail used to cut through the middle, which is all kind of like grassy now and overgrown. So that's pretty interesting. Didn't know that. So anyway, I still haven't found a real good place to hunker down yet, but I will shortly. So I guess what he said was true. I just came across a little medallion that said, this is the North Scenic Trail, not the Appalachian Trail. But now it's the Appalachian Trail. As a matter of fact, as well, I just came across this. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully that's pointed in the right direction. But it's some black paint covering up what was previously the blue marker for the North Trail. That's kind of cool. So helpful to know that that's what they did. Alright. This seems like a pretty good spot to have a break. So I'm gonna grab a sip of water. Averaging about 2 miles per hour, which is not bad. Some really nice views up here. If you guys are enjoying the views like I am, feel free to hit that like button. You know, while you're at it, why don't you guys subscribe as well? I'd really appreciate it. It really helps grow the channel, helps feed that YouTube. What's YouTube? Helps feed that YouTube algorithm. Hit the little bell icon while you're at it, because all of that helps me, helps the channel grow, helps get my name out there, helps get these videos out there so people can enjoy Mother Nature. And really that's what it's all about, just getting out here and enjoying it. And I love sharing it with you guys. I'm going to enjoy the view for a little bit, have a water, grab a snack, and then I'm going to hit the road again. Alright, let me turn that camera off. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but this side of the mountain, actually I think they used to mine it for zinc or something like that. It was like surface miner. I just remember it was barren for like a really long time when I was a kid. The mine, I guess the processing plant, was just across the way here. They tore all that down, bulldozed it over. That's starting to grow back now a little bit as well. But that's how it was when I was growing up. This was all kind of like red, orange type of sand. But ever since then, it's been growing back, and now it's turning into quite a nice mountain. We've got the trees coming back. It's all getting reclaimed, which is really nice to see. All right, I'm gonna pack up and hit the road. Not too sure what that stands for. I assume AT is Appalachian Trail. That makes sense. You can see they whited over. You can barely make out where it used to say North Trail. Now it says S and N. So, but we're heading back down the hill. It's amazing how much easier it is to hike when you don't have to hold the camera. Wow. All right, we're almost back at the car. Just a few more minutes and we are on our way to find food. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, and look forward to doing more hiking videos for you guys. All right, peace.
that wouldn't show you guys the after hike meal, would you?